10 Best Natural Supplements for Hair Loss. There are huge variety of prescription medications obtainable through online doctors for our convenience and affordability. There also are many herbal DIY treatments that you can use at home. I am right here to make you recognize how important it's for that my subscriber feel confident in the way they look and feel from deep inside. Here I will take a look at 10 natural supplements, vitamins, minerals and other ingredients that make your hair strong and grow longer. One. Vitamin A. Vitamin A, additionally called retinol, is highly important to the health of your hair and scalp. Products with vitamin A strengthen and defend hair from future damage. Research says all cells need vitamin A for healthy growth. This consists of hair, the fastest growing tissue in the human body. Vitamin A additionally facilitates pores and skin glands make an oily substance known as sebum. Sebum moisturizes the scalp and facilitates preserved hair healthful. Diet that has lower vitamin A can also lead to numerous issues, consisting of hair loss. Source of vitamin A. You can buy any vitamin A as an additional supplement, or purchase a multivitamins that includes vitamin A. Vitamin A is found naturally in meat, fresh vegetables especially carrots, fruits, fish and organs. Two. Protein. Like vitamin A, protein also very essential for growth hair. In fact, protein is vital ingredient to the growth of several parts of your body, like muscle and skin. Protein is important to strengthen hair and promote the growth of new cells in human body. The daily recommended amount is about 2 or 3 servings of meat, fish or a combination of 4 to 5 servings of dairy and beans. Protein source. You can consume more protein by drinking protein shakes, whey protein, or by adding more meat, eggs, fish and poultry to your diet. Protein is also naturally sourced from different seeds, nuts, and soy products. Three. Collagen. Collagen supplies your hair essential amino acids that highly required to produce keratin. Keratin is a protein which make your hair. Collagen may be consumed, but it is mostly applied topically in a cream, hair mask, strong point shampoo, or remedy. Collagen is famous for protecting skin and it provides much same benefits for your hair. It offers the stretch and bounce hair desires to reduce breaking. 4. Iron. A person who has iron deficiency often suffer from hair loss. This is because iron support the production of red blood cell, which is needed for strong healthy hair. Researchers discovered that proper iron ranges can assist combat hair loss in men and women. Iron is needed for the formation of red blood cells which deliver oxygen and other nutrients to the hair to help it grow faster. Source of iron. Iron may be taken as a supplement, or eat pumpkin seeds, firm tofu, fresh fruits, dried apricots, red meat and fish. 5. Biotin. Biotin is another thing that your hair need to stay strong and healthy. Deficiency of biotin, hair becomes thin, nails become brittle, and different parts of your body start to ail. Dermatologist says we find biotin to be very beneficial for hair disorders. It also makes nails thicker, and oral biotin is tremendously safe, even in heavy doses. Source of biotin. You can consume biotin as oral supplement through an online or local doctor's prescription. There are also biotin shampoos available in the market, or you can consume more spinach, sweet potato and eggs. 6. Folic acid. Folic acid is usually prescribed to pregnant women to help with the improvement of babies in utero. Folic acid also helps in healthy growth of skin, nails, and hair. Hair growth treatments rich in folic acid provide a lift to thickness, softness, strength and energy. Source of folic acid. Folic acid works by improving healthy red blood cells which are needed for strong and healthy hair. You can consume folic acid as supplement and also consume naturally sourced folic acid in leafy green vegetables, citrus fruits, beans, pasta, and rice. 7. Zinc. Hair restore is often a precursor to a thicker dew. When your hair follicles are better able to restore themselves, they have a higher chance of growing naturally. Zinc also offers a carrier by regulating oil to your scalp. This reduces flaky dandruff and oily hair. Source of zinc. Zinc deficiency can cause of hair loss. By taking zinc will restore and improve hair growth right away. You can get more zinc through oral supplements, or by eating whole grains, legumes, red meat, eggs, and shellfish. Eight. Ginkgo biloba. Ginkgo biloba is known to have numerous health-related properties, some which growth blood circulate even as simultaneously feeding your follicles essential vitamins. Hair loss is also caused by health, age, and hormone-related issues. Ginkgo biloba supplements have proven great success in decreasing thinness and hair loss while promoting thick, strong hair. It is recommended you take oral supplements. Take only ginkgo biloba leaf, as other crude parts of the plant may contain dangerous type of allergies that can cause severe toxic reactions. A dose should not be more than 120 mg on a daily basis is recommended for all supplements, although basic instructions might be given if buy from online store. 9. Horsetail. Horsetail can be taken in tablet or capsule form to treat hair loss. Thinning hair can sometimes be caused by a lack of vitamins and minerals. Horsetail is a top-notch useful source for connecting your hair with required nutrients that desperately needs. It allows the scalp and follicles absorb other vitamins and nutrients you feed them. If you have issue with your skin and scalp, horsetail can definitely help in decreasing redness, smooth texture, and improve dryness or oiliness. Many people use horsetail for hair loss by diluting it with water and apply on hair directly. 10. Rosemary. Rosemary oil is a treatment used on the scalp topically. Some studies have proven rosemary oil to perform similarly to prescription treatments like minoxidil. Like many other essential oils, rosemary oil can be a bit intense if applied directly on the skin. Instead, I recommend that mix the rosemary oil with some coconut oil, or even olive oil before spritzing it into your scalp. Rosemary oil also works great as a mask. Leave it on your hair for 20 to 25 minutes. Rinse in warm water and rinse again with mild shampoo, if still too oily to style and wear as usual. Important to remember that many hair loss treatments work best and give you satisfactory results if you make nighttime routine. If you like the video, please like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more healthy tips.